Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy stock on Webull app for beginners. So to get started with the guide, make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because that helps me out. So to get started with the guide, so if you're on the mobile app version of Webull, open the Webull on your mobile app, on your mobile phone, open the app, then log into your account, then tap the search icon which is at the bottom middle, then tap the stock name or symbol which can be AAPL, then tap on the stock from the result, then tap the trade button which is at the bottom left, then tap buy at the top of the screen, then enter the numbers of shares you want to buy, then choose your order type. You can set up your market or your limit, then tap buy at the bottom, then from there tap confirm to place your order, and that's how you can easily buy stock on Webull. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the vision button and subscribe for more. Thanks.